मिनशैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू इंग्लिश क्लास स्टैंडर्ड 7। तो हम कर रहे थे 4.3 चेजिंग द सी मॉन्स्टर। तो हम उसका पार्ट 2 देखेंगे। पार्ट 1 हम पहले ही कर चुके हैं। तो पार्ट 2 में हम देखते हैं। द क्रू वेयर waiting impatiently for orders from their leader. The latter, after carefully observing the animal, ordered the engineer to sail full steam towards the animal. 3 cheers greeted this order. The hour of battle had sounded. A few moments later, the Abraham Lincoln heeled straight for the animal. Unconcerned, the latter let us come nearer. It got up a little speed and kept its distance. This chase dragged on for about 3/4 of an hour without the frigate getting any closer to the seal animal. At this rate, it was obvious that we would never catch up with it. The Abraham Lincoln gathered speed, but so did the animal. This went for the next hour. The Abraham Lincoln was new speed so much that it must tremble down to their blocks. What a chase! No, I can't describe the excitement that shocked my very being. Ned Land stay at his post, harpoon in hand. Silver times the animal let us approach. Then just the harpooner was about to strike, the citizen was still off swiftly. Commander Frigate then decided to use more direct methods. Bah, he said. So that animal is faster than the Abraham Lincoln. All right, madman, the gun in the bow. Our forecastle cannon was immediately loaded and leveled. The cannoneer fired a shot, but his shell passed some feet above the citizen. This stay half a mile off. Over to somebody with better aim, the commander shouted, and 500 to the man can praise that inferior beast. Calm of eye, cool of feature, an old grey-bearded gunner, I can see him to his day, approached the cannon, but it is in position, and took aim for a good bite. There was a mighty explosion, mingled with cheers from the crew. The shell reached its largest. It hit the animal, but the bounce of its rounded surface and vanished into the sea 2 miles out. Oh, drat! Said the old gunner in his anger. That monster must be covered with 6-inch armor plate. The hunt was on again. Hour after hour went by without the animal showing the least sign of weariness. However, it must be said that we too struggled on tirelessly. At 10:50 in the evening, that electric light appeared 3 miles away from the frigate, just as clear away from the frigate, just as clear and intense as the night before. The monster seems motionless. Was it asleep? Perhaps weary from its workday, just riding with the waves. This was our chance. The commander frigate decided to take full advantage of it. He gave his order. The frigate approached without making a sound, stopped 2 cable lengths from the animal. A profound silence reigned over the deck. We were not 100 feet from the blazing core of light, whose glow grew stronger and dazzled their eyes. Just then, leaning over the forecastle railing, I saw Ned Land below me, brandishing his dreadful harpoon. Barely 20 feet separated him from the motionless animal. All at once his arm shot forward and the harpoon was launched. I heard the weapon make a ringing sound as it has hit some hard substance. The electric light suddenly went out, and two enormous water spouts crashed into the deck of the frigate, racing like a tornado from one end of the ship to the other, toppling crewmen, breaking spare masts and yard arms from their lashing. A hideous collision occurred and thrown over the reel with no time to catch hold of it. I was hurled into the sea. Adapted from 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea by Jules Verne. So, let's begin with our English workshop also. So, first question is, from the passage find all the words and phrases used to describe the monster. So, the animal, the fearsome creature, unknown creature, long blackish body, that infernal bliss, the motionless animal. How long does the whole event described in this passage take? Work it out by reading the passage. So event takes as a long time from the night before till the next evening. Then the third question is, how did the battle between the ship and monster end? Find the copy the line where you find the answer to the question. So हमको जो है उनके बीच में जो जंग हुई उसके जो लाइन्स है वो कॉपी करके लिखने हैं. When the ship was 20 feet away from the monster, Neil and launched his dreadful harpoon. The weapon hit some hard substance, the electric light of the monster went out, and the two numerous water spouts crashed into the deck of the frigate, speeding like a tornado from one end of the ship and the other. These toppled crewmen broke spare most and yard arms from the lashing. A hideous collision had occurred, and the narrator was thrown into the sea. The battle ended there. Okay, now the question number 4. What attempts did the ship make to defeat the monster? Find and copy lines from the passage. Describe at least two of the attempts. So 2 attempts हमको लिखना है. तो in the first instance, the commander ordered the engineer to sail full steam towards the animal. They chased the animal still off swiftly. Their forecastle cannon was immediately loaded and leveled the cannon. Cannoneer fired a shot but failed and the target. Another gunner took aim for the good while the shell reached the target and hit the animal, but it bounced off its round surface. The animal vanished. The hunt continued. At 10:50 in the evening, the monster appeared 3 miles away from the ship. The commander ordered to attack when it was 100 feet away from the ship. The harpoon was launched but of no use. 2 enormous water sprouts crashed out, devastated the ship, and their attempt failed. Question number 5. Find the different units of measurements mentioned in the passage and get more information about them from the internet. So the units are 5 miles away, a mile and a half, a meter, some feet above 6 inch, 3 miles, 2 cable length, 100 feet and 20 feet. Now find all the words that ending with the suffix less. So there are motionless, emotionless and tireless. होप आपने ये समझ लिया होगा और ये आप क्वेश्चन आंसर अपनी कॉपी में कॉपी कर सकते हैं. और ये चैप्टर को आपको बार बार पढ़ना होगा जैसे कि आपको समझ में ही आया होगा. इट्स लिटिल डिफ़िकल्ट क्योंकि ये एक नॉवेल का एक हिस्सा है 20,000 लीग अंडर द सी. तो हम जब तक इसको बार बार नहीं पढ़ेंगे हम समझ नहीं सकते, बिकॉज़ ये साइंटिफिक फिक्शन है, थ्रिल है. तो आप इसको बार बार पढ़िए ताकि आप इसको अच्छे से समझ सकें.